In this video, we'll be looking at how our team at AGBU has worked with Angus Australia to develop a new genomic evaluation for docility. Docility is a key trait for Angus breeders, with increasing numbers of animals recorded over the last decade, and as you can see in this figure, most of the animals recently recorded have also been genotyped. But up until now, EBVs for docility have not incorporated genomic information, and in fact, this is the last remaining analysis within TACE not to do so. So the main motivation for the new development has been the inclusion of genomic information in a full single-step analysis. But in addition, a key feature is that we have switched from a categorical to a continuous trait model. This greatly simplifies the analysis and allows us to use the full range of scores, including half scores. During the R&D phase, we found that heritabilities were similar under either model, both slightly under 20%. And importantly, EBVs will still be presented in the same way, with higher docility EBVs indicating that an animal is expected to produce a higher percentage of progeny with acceptable temperament. However, breeders will see changes in EBVs, but these are mostly due to the addition of genomics rather than the switch to the continuous trait model. Validation analyses also carried out during the R&D phase showed that the new genomic EBVs are better predictors of future performance. This plot shows the degree of change in EBVs for high accuracy sires, with a correlation between EBVs from old and new models at 0.87. So sires with good temperament are identified in both. Other groups of animals can show greater changes, with the correlation for 2021 drop bulls at 0.67, for example. So while there will be changes in EBVs, our validations show that these changes will result in greater selection accuracy, which will also be reflected in higher EBV accuracies for genotyped animals, as you can see in this figure. In terms of benefits of the new analysis, we will see increased accuracy from the inclusion of genomics, while behind the scenes there will be improved computational performance and better use of information, which will pave the way for simpler integration with other traits in future. For example, we can consider analysing docility with flight time data or even as a trait in the main TACE evaluation.